The cold weather continues with frigid temps, and as that snow builds up on your homes, it can lead to ice damming. Today, we're joined with Brendan Fogarty, owner of Fogarty's Home Services and Dr. Energy Saver, serving Western Mass, Berkshire County, and Northern Connecticut. Brendan, thanks for being with us.
Good morning. How are you?
Not good, especially if you have an ice dam on your house. So tell me about it. What is it? Many people aren't quite sure.
It's just the heat that you pay for goes up to the roof, to the attic, into the roof, and it melts the roof, gets below the roof deck, and it freezes at the gutter line. So anything that goes above 32 degrees, which is the heat that you pay for in your attic, it's hitting the roof deck, and that snow melts.
So you don't have to have an above freezing day. It's actually the heat from your house escaping the roof, which is very inefficient.
Correct.
And as far as identifying, you can pretty much tell. You look at your gutters or your roof line, and you have a wall of icicles, right?
Correct.
And how does that potentially damage your roof and the interior of your house?
Well, because as you can see in this video, it tells us exactly the heat that at 70 degrees goes up, hits the roof deck, and then it melts the roof deck. And then the water goes underneath the snow, and it gets to the gutter line. When it freezes, right, it causes a jam. And then what happens is it continues as you ask for more heat in these frigid temperatures. So over and over and over, eventually the puddle that you see behind that ice jam is inside the conditioned warm air leaving the house. So that puddle melts up, and it's going to wick its way into the house. So the challenges are real, you know. So with the amount of snow that we've gotten in the past, couple of weeks, specifically last week.
A lot of snow,
right?
Yeah.
And the snow is a great insulator, right? So we think about it, that much snow is a great insulator. But if your ventilation is blocked off, if you have, if your heat is transcending through the attic spaces, all the penetrations like scuttle holes or attic access hatches, can light covers, can lights themselves, bathroom fans, electrical wires, plumbing wires, HVAC wires. It's just getting up inside of there and melting that roof deck, getting it above 32 degrees. We have to change our concept of that thermal boundary, meaning from our bedrooms or living space to the attic. Your attic should be as cold as it is outside all the time.
And that's the problem, because water, as you say, will find a way. It's going to get in your house. Not only can it cause damage, structural damage, but you may get mold as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely, because mold needs water, it needs dark, and it needs damp. And it needs food, which is organic material.
If you have an ice dam right now, you're cautioning you pretty much can't. It's too late at this point.
Right.
We need prevention. So that's where you come in. What can you do to assure homeowners don't get ice dams in the future?
Well, first, we have to evaluate the house. We have to identify what the challenges are in the house currently. We need to make sure that the attic assembly, the separation between the conditioned and unconditioned space, is separated. Now, once we do that, then we can air seal, making sure that we seal all the warm air convecting out through the house into the attic. And then we build it with insulation. So those are the challenges. We have to make sure that we air seal all the way around the attic and not in just specific areas, the entire perimeter.
Is this something you can do right now, this time of year, or do we have to wait till spring?
We can absolutely 100% do our attic evaluations and fix the problem now. That's why we're here today. But the challenge behind that is if we go ahead and start ripping the ice off of our roof, we're going to cause a problem, because in the springtime, all that ripping and all that integrity malfunction.
We need the pros from Fogarty Home Services. If folks want to get a hold of you, Brendan, what do they need to do?
A couple different ways. You can get us on our website at fogartyshomeservices.com, or you can contact us at 860-219-0499.
Sounds good.
Thank you very much.
Get out there and bust those dams, my friend.
Yeah, right.